Hello, my name is Jack and I'm from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this brand new Audi.
So this is the vehicle in question. This is our brand new Audi A5 Sportback 45 TFSI S-line with the S-line gearbox and also the Quattro 4-wheel drive system. This particular example is also finished in the optional Mythos Black metallic paint, just give it that appealing design. Now as we look towards the key features, this particular example is the S-line trim level. It does mean it benefits from the additional S-line styling in the front and also the rear and the side profile, and it does feature the lovely aluminium rear diffuser and chrome window surrounds. Moving on now to the exterior key features, we do find these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, we find these S-line specific 19-inch 5-spoke Cavos design polished grey alloys. They do really complement that lovely metallic black paint. Down to the side of this A5 there is the rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants in view, so it's continuing this overall black theme. Moving into the rear boot space of the A5 Sportback now, we do find up to 480 litres of storage capacity. It's a large amount for a vehicle of this size. This can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases as well as a few additional shopping bags. Now moving into the rear seats, we find a half leather and half dynamic Alcantara interior with the additional white stitching. As well as this, there is a leather centre armrest which is fold down for added comfort, and there are Isofix points neatly located across the back row. But there's also a smaller climate control with rear ventilation, a USB port and also a 12-volt socket. Moving into the front now, we do find a very well designed and laid out cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, dynamic Alcantara and aluminium. With this being the S-line model, it does mean you get these two-tone leather seats in which do have the Audi Sport S logo on both front seats, as well as the lovely white stitching. Above now there is the virtual cockpit, in which just feature the 2 digital rev counters. This screen can also access the navigation, as well as radio connectivity, vehicle information and telephone connectivity as well. Now to the centre of the dashboard we find this fantastic MMI touchscreen display, which just feature the sat-nav navigation, and does also allow access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this we find the equally impressive dual-zone digital climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and the heated seat functionalities are located either side of this for both front passengers, which is perfect for those colder mornings. To the screen above once again we find a reversing camera as well as the front and rear parking sensors, which has made this A5 Sportback much easier to park, especially in the tighter spaces.
This vehicle does come with a 3 years manufacturer's warranty and a 3 years roadside assistance. For more information, do contact us now on 01785 899 417 or inquire online.